Aditi and I am a lecturer in LG Polytechnic Architecture Assistantship. Welcome to this video series of our subject Architectural Design of a Single Volume Unit. So today we are going to understand the design presentation in architecture. As a designer or as an architect, one have to prepare several drawings to explain its design, such as floor plans, sections, elevations, conceptual drawings, analysis, etc. This drawing must show the architectural facade treatment and the massing of the unit. Also, it includes elevations and sections with different finishes and levels. Then comes the final stage of drawing, which is called presentation drawings. So basically it's the final output of all this process. It shows external and internal materials, levels, different type of structures, the connection between road and site, etc. Final presentation includes all the details such as buildings openings, whether it is doors, windows, arches or lintels, etc. It also carries the terrace and balcony details, dimensions, proper furniture, external and interior both, landscaping with proper pavings and hardscape, softscape details, landscaping with proper gradients, colors and rendering. It also carries the entrance with weather protections from all the sides, the compound wall and the surroundings. The difference between conceptual drawings and presentation drawings is very clear. Conceptual drawings are the base of planning. It is often handcrafted and manually done by the designer. It has many alternatives. It is done as a quick way of exploring design at initial basis. In the same way, presentation drawings are to be done as the final output, and it includes all the details of building. Final presentation drawing includes building with sufficient amenities and landscape. Plans are the main drawings in all the drawings. Floor plans and layout plans. Layout plan includes all the site details. The existing situation of site, it is to be shown in site layout, such as trees, any plantation, rocks, rivers, hills, etc. Site layout also shows the circulation movement of humans and vehicles. It carries utility services of water supply, electricity and drainage system. The floor plan includes building details, internal details such as walls, foundation, roof, staircase, openings, dimensions, etc. It also includes different type of slab or roofs. Elevation is the orthographic projection. Basically, it is the 2D drawing, means two-dimensional drawing, which is mainly drawn for the height and the understanding of space and human. It shows external and internal details, the facade details of buildings. After the preparation of drawings, one must have to visualize the buildings in 3D, then three-dimensional proportion. So basically one have to make a model, a proper scale model of the proposed building. Model should be in appropriate scale. It must include furniture of external and internal. The model should include all the details of our proposed building. That's all for now. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.